Hi. Look at all this. I've seen this before. Back when I was in London, they used to serve their food on conveyor belts. And this is my first time seeing this in forever. Look at all this. It's like you get to order your food and it just shows up. They even have Batman and Superman available.
Yeah, okay, yes. Okay. Thank you. How cool is this? Don't touch anything.
Looks like one of them is for display and the other is the food that we order. It's amazing.
What is it? One's for display?
Yeah,
Which is the display?
I think this one.
How are you? My name's Victoria. Have you guys been here before?
No, Kyle, pay attention to
Okay, so this is going to be Mr. Fresh. In order to take it out, you just lift this up and then you pull it out like this. Do you guys want to try it really quickly?
I'll try it out.
Oh, sorry, 1 second. Close it again.
try it.
So you just lift, sorry, you just lift it
Right,
up
you're
and
not
then you pull it
listening
out.
to what she's telling you.
You want to try one more time?
Yeah.
Let me try.
Here you go.
So,
You can just lift it up and then pull it out. Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
So you just lift it. Okay.
Yeah, so whenever you guys are all done with these plates, you
Okay.
can throw in there. It's going to be $3.75 for each one.
Okay.
If you don't see anything you like on the conveyor belt, you can also order through here. So you can
Oh,
click
wow.
through like the drink menu or the food menu. Sorry, I
Okay.
can't really reach it.
Yeah.
But yeah, you guys are going to be all set.
That's
Everything that you
cool.
order through here, just make sure not to put the plate in there because they'll count it twice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, what's with those weird orbs up there?
So every 15 plates that you put in, you get a prize from up there. So it's just depending on whatever comes out, it's randomized. I know they have like magnets, lanyards, things like that. So
15 plates,
Are
huh?
you doing YouTube?
Yeah.
do you guys need help with anything else?
Do you
or
have
you guys-
takoyaki?
Yeah, we do actually. Just hit the food menu for me.
I'll do it.
Show them the food. Are you videotaping it?
Yeah.
And then you can hit yes or no. You can always
Yes.
go back and order a drink.
No, we want to get drinks.
Hit the food menu for me.
Food.
Right
Food
there,
menu.
yes.
I'll do it, Kai. Food menu.
And then just go to hot food. Should be there. Go to the, hit next for me. Right there. And you can keep going. So you can kind of just click through like all
Oh,
the different
that's
foods that we
cool.
have. We should have taco.
There it is.
Right there, yes. So when you order, it's going to come zooming out on this belt up here and you can just grab it off.
One order.
One order.
That
And then
is
you can
so
hit
cool.
that green button right there.
Order. Press order. Wow.
You're all set. Just let me know if you need help with anything.
It's awesome.
else or
So
any
you
other.
can take whatever we
Yes,
want.
anything you want. And then once you take it out and you put it in there, that'll count it as like one plate.
Okay.
The New York cheesecake?
Yeah, I know, right?
It's a cool place.
I know. It's pretty
Wow.
cool. I feel like it's like cool because you kind of can pick and choose like what you want to eat rather than like eating a whole meal like one.
No,
plate,
it's
you
great.
know?
They have
Yeah.
Are these display
They
food?
have this
No, you can take those.
I have a robot delivering drinks.
Hi.
Yeah, so when you order through there, it'll deliver through the robots.
Oh my god.
You guys are all set. Just let me know if you need anything else.
Oh my god. That's so cool.
Awesome. This future's never gonna stop evolving.